Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful year this far. I'm really excited to be filming this video for you guys, as I am every video I ever film, but this one I'm particularly excited about because I learned that violet is the color for 2018, and this kind of inspired me to do my nails in this grape jelly color yesterday, and that led to this video today of this violet makeup look. So anyways, I won't drag this on to make this video any longer, so just keep on watching. Hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Love you. Mwah. Okay, so I already kind of applied foundation and concealer on my face, and I did my brows. I wanted to do that off camera because I wanted to just start with the eyes because that's going to be the main focus of this video. So for this look, I'm going to be using 3 different palettes. I'm going to be using my Jacklyn Morphe eyeshadow palette and the 35B Morphe palette and this little palette by Winx Luxe. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to be picking up this color right over here. And I'm going to be using my BMX 430 crease brush by Moda Pro. I'm going to apply that all over my crease. I want to start it with a very warm neutral color, so that way all these purple shades that I'm going to be applying will transition a lot smoother. Okay, so next I'm going to pick up this beautiful red orange shade in the palette, and I'm going to apply that just right below the transition shade I applied. I'm going to go very light-handed with this. That's why I'm holding the brush further at the bottom to put less pressure on there, because this color is super pigmented. Okay, now the next color we're going to use is going to be the darkest purple in the 35B palette, and it's this one right here. And I'm going to apply that to the outer corner of my eye. And I'm also going to continue using the same brush. Don't ask me why, I just am. Just to intensify it a little bit more, I'm going to pick up my Jaclyn Hill palette again, and I'm going to add this brown right here just to make the look a little bit darker, because this purple is coming out a little lighter than I planned, so I'm going to add that in there just to darken it up a bit. And just tightly in that inner corner. You don't want to go spread that everywhere, just right there. And then you want to go again with that purple and go over it. Okay, now going back to the Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to pick up the lighter purple shade here. Well, the one in between these. The one that's the same color of my nails. And I'm going to pick up my Morphe M421 brush, and I'm going to apply that color middle of my lid, just the center right there. I'm going to work my way into my inner corner. Okay, so to make the color a little more intense, I'm going to pick up my MAC Fix Plus spray, and I'm going to spray my brush. And I'm going to pick up some more of this color. I'm going to pick up my Morphe M506 again, and I'm going to bring in that darker shade and kind of blend it in here. Right above the eye, right into my crease. Okay, now using this flat brush right here, I'm going to apply all the same shades just in my bottom lash line. Okay, now to make it a little less harsh, I'm going to go back to the color, this orangey shade that I used at the beginning, and I'm going to smoke it out underneath the purple. Okay, so now for my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm going to pick up Kitten palette by Winky Luxe, and I'm going to use this iridescent color right here, and I'm going to be applying that with my Morphe M213. Okay, and because I love being so extra, I'm going to go ahead and apply a wing liner, and I'm going to be using the Sephora collection eyeliner in the color black. It's one black. That's the color on it. So I just realized I haven't contoured, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now with my favorite contour ever. It's by City Color, called Contour Effects. As you can see, all of the palettes are empty. This is all that's left to the one I love most. Okay, and for lashes today, I'm going to be using the Vera 12s by Huda Beauty. While the lashes dry, well, get tacky, not dry, I'm going to be adding some mascara using the Lancome using the Lancome Monsieur Big. So I was actually thinking I would have loved to try a purple blush, but since I don't have purple, I'm just going to mix these two, which is Limitless and Unstoppable by RealHer. For highlight today, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit. Oh no, color 143 got messed up. Okay, well, can't really show you, but I'm going to be using Daydream, which is the color right here. Can't believe I've gone so long without using this palette. I was so addicted to it when it first came out. I would use it all the time. Oh, and for my brush, I'm using the Morphe R36. Now that my lashes are tacky, I can go ahead and apply them. Okay, so now for the lips, I decided that I should try and do a shade of purple too, because I'm feeling crazy. So for the lips, I'm going to be using my NYX liquid lipstick in the color Fatal Attraction. I wish the color was more violet, but fuchsia's gonna have to do. So going through my lipsticks, I actually found that I have a purple. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that over this color and see what happens. This is by the brand Princessa, and it's a matte liquid lipstick, and it doesn't say a color anywhere. This was a gift to me, so And I never think I've really used it, so let's see. Okay, I can do this. And this color is supposed to last 24 hours. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really had lots of fun filming this for you guys. I am so happy with the way it turned out. I don't wear purple often or do my makeup purple often. This is something I just wanted to try and I really loved it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Love you all and see you next time. Mwah.